A cold winter day. It is a cold winter morning. The air outside is very cold and white. I can see my breath when I open the door. Snow covers the ground, the trees, and the cars. The street looks quiet and clean. I close the door quickly and make a hot drink. The smell of coffee fills the kitchen. I sit near the window and hold my warm cup. The sky is gray, and the wind is strong. I can hear the sound of the wind hitting the window. I feel lucky to be inside, warm, and safe. After breakfast, I put on my coat, scarf, and gloves. The air outside feels sharp on my face. I walk carefully because the road is slippery. My boots make small sounds on the snow. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I like that sound. I see a few people walking their dogs. The dogs jump and play in the snow. Their tails move fast. Everyone walks slowly and smiles politely. At the small park, everything is white. The trees look heavy with snow. I stop for a minute and take a photo. It looks like a postcard. When I get home, my hands are cold. I take off my gloves and make hot chocolate. The sweet smell makes me happy. I sit on the couch with a blanket and my warm drink. The heater makes a soft sound. I feel calm and sleepy. Outside, snow keeps falling. I see people shoveling their driveways. Children are playing and laughing. One boy throws a snowball, and another runs away. Their voices sound bright in the cold air. As the sky gets dark, the streetlights turn on. The snow shines under the light. It is quiet again, like the morning. I think about the day. It was cold, but it was beautiful. Sometimes, the cold makes you feel more alive.
Thanks for listening to this story. See you in the next video.